is all of our members actually can invite, meron sila mga ID number. And the ID number is what called sponsor ID. So for you to sign up to Ascenta International, you need to have a sponsor. So you need to get the ID number of that sponsor as your sponsor ID. You just need to go to our landing page and you just need to click join now. And then you can just fill up all of the information, personal information that are required there. Tapos sa dulo, nalagay yung sponsor ID ng inyong sponsor. And from there, you can choose the enrollment package. We have 5 different enrollment package from associate, builder, consultant, director, and executive enrollment package. All of those have different values and different inclusions. And from there inside, you po may enjoy yung MVP natin, the Mastery, Vitality, and Connection. Then you can just simply go to your payment method and choose the payment method. Currently, as our soft operations, we're still accepting bank deposits and over-the-counter cash. But in the next coming few weeks, we're already ready for the integration of our payment gateways to accept other payments. So yun po. And from there, you can actually be receiving from your email and credential of your username and password so that you can log in to your Ascender portal. Yun po yung members portal natin, where you can monitor the whole of your business, your profit and loss, your AI companion is there, everything about your business, entrepreneurship journey, even the learning hub will be on the Ascender's portal. So you're a certified member already of Ascender International. So that's it.
One last question for MLM or multi-level marketing is currently fast rising and on trends nowadays. So how is it accept that differs from that, and how is that being unique from others?
Okay. Actually marami, but based on our vision, statement ng vision namin, we help committed dreamers achieve their goals by providing them structured learning. When we say structured learning, marami kasi sa industry. Pag pumasok sa company, kanya-kanya yung growth nila. What we have here, pag sumama yung distributor, meron na kaming structured learning for them. Modules, meron kaming learning hub, both online and offline. We have reliable tools, kaya kami magagamit ng AI, business analytics, para bigyan ng data yung aming mga distributors on how they will analyze their team. And of course, dependable system. Pag sabing system, kung ano yung gagawin nila, yung strategy nila to build their team, their network. Because as you know, in multi-level marketing, the bigger organization you have, the bigger reward you will get. So most of the time, ang challenge kasi dyan is how to really build, sustain, and at the same time, keep the people. So what makes us unique? We have a structured learning, reliable tools, and dependable system. Ayan.
One last question or follow-up on that. Some people are SMEs to join especially multi-level marketing. So how do you convince them or how do you motivate them to join this?
Well, for us, alam naman sa industry merong SMEs. Whether whatever profession or whatever industry, for that matter. For us, it's just a matter of education. People lack information, people are not educated about this industry. And kaya kami gusto namin umingay sa print, with your help of course, sa social media, digital age na ngayon. It's just a matter of really educating a lot of people. Ang motivation namin sa center is really build a beautiful garden where butterflies will just come in and fly in. Kasi ayaw na namin you begin chasing people. This time, let's build a platform where people will just chase Ascenta. Sila naman ang mag-aatid na sumama sa atin. Ayan. Last question. Last year.
This is just an additional question. I've seen some of your portfolios. I've kind of investigated each one of you. Some of you have businesses. This is, of course, a thing that you might bring to the table if ever Ascender becomes what it is in the future. Do you have plans currently to bring other businesses in so that aside from the products that you are selling, people can have the option to also earn from businesses you don't know, or some sort of that. Is that in the near future?
Yeah. Actually, not in the near future. Our business model now in MLM, with our structure, and this is the first in the industry, we encourage our distributors, actually, in terms of their organization, to register their organization with the Securities and Exchange Commission para yun yung maging legitimate organization nila. Where in the future, they can become supplier of products to their team. So hindi na lang sila kikita sa compensation plan, but they can become manufacturers or suppliers to their own team. That's one. Number two, we like to create an ecosystem sa Ascentra that aside from multi-level marketing, we provide business solution or another division. Para itong business solution na to, ito ang tumulong sa mga leaders namin, palakihin yung grupo nila. Para ito rin yung same business solution tumulong sa kanila sa set, sa accounting, compliance, and everything.
Yes.
Same business model, meron din kaming travel agency in the future. Para yung mga distributor namin, pag gusto nila umalis, yung travel agency na natin ang magagamit nila ng platform. Meron din tayong financial technology, corporate agency. We also have franchising in the future.
Yes.
And just for the information of everyone, this is our office right now. But as early as now, particularly these two people, dinibati ako niyan, kinuha na nila yung 300 square meters dito sa kabila for expansion. Kaya ito na yung susunod natin i-renovate. Another 300 square meters, open space. Diyan natin ilalagay yung expansion ng Ascendra. Lalo-lalo na yung iba't ibang division. Yan.
Sir, do you currently have numbers of how many people have already participated or joined you guys? And in like the year or maybe next year, what are your forecasts?
Alright, currently, during our pre-operations, we call it pre-operations because we are not yet fully operating, it is not on the soft operations. So during our pre-launch, because of the surge ng pagtanggap ng ating mga kasama sa industriya, currently we have pre-encoded, coming from our data, pre-encoded 3,000 members of Ascenta International already. So out of the 3,000 unique things currently right now on our system, we do a one account policy. So one name equivalent to one account only. So technically that's 3,000 unique different people coming from different backgrounds, na may iba't-ibang skills and talents and iba't-ibang experiences that are now gathered together. Some of them are here, yung ating mga founding partners. Makingay naman kayo dyan. All of those founding partners actually have their big organizations. Meron mga grupo na to coming from different companies, different backgrounds. So they brought in here in Ascenta International not only themselves, but their team, the people who believe with them, the people who trust them, kasama nila sa pag-welcome dito sa Ascenta International. So we're looking forward in the next few months, magdating namin ang grand launching, January 2026, we can multiply that number, the 3,000 to 5 times 5 times 10. Definitely, we are all ready. Our tech provider is also being prepared. Welcome, yung infrastructure, prepared natin, the operations, the finance, the strategy, and our CEO is all ready to actually welcome yung ating mga members. So we are preparing for that during our session.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm Jurgen Gonzalez, the current Chief Executive Officer of Ascendra International. I've been in the industry for the last 30 years, 15 years being a distributor myself, and another 15 years as part of management of my previous company. Thank you. Next.
Hi, I'm Francesca Pizan. I am the CFO. I am the CFO of Ascendra International. And ang background ko po is I have been a serial entrepreneur all my life. So dito po sa iba't ibang pagdadegosyo ko, hindi ko na-feel ko yung success. Diba? So, yun po ang
Alright. My name is Joseph Kim. I'm the CSO, Chief Strategist Officer. From the word of strategy, ang pinakatrabaho ko talaga is paano ko gagawin ng mas madali at mas masaya ang pag-network sa lahat ng distributor ng asset. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Miguel Luzon. I'm the Chief Operations Officer of Ascenta International. So I've been in the industry of hotel and marketing for the past 14 years. I've been a part of the management for the past 14 years, traveling everywhere and operating offices and branches in different countries. Now, ang pinakatrabaho natin sa Ascenta International is to give the value that we actually promise, the value of clarity, the value of structured learning, proper tools and reliable system for each and everyone. Ang goal is pag pumasok po kayo sa opisina ng Ascenta International is maramdaman ninyo na you are at home at maramdaman ninyo that you are in place para maabot sa inyong mga partner nyo sa Ascenta.
Alright, thank you so much. And of course, we would like on behalf of Ascenta International for your partner. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And of course, before that, ang photo of the Kulay of the request. Tayo, siguro na upo muna. Sit down po muna ng picture for our founders. Yan, alright. Alright. Picture po, 1, 2, alright. Okay, then after po yan, alright. Okay ba? Stand up na po. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Alright, tapos medyo nakaside ko kayo dito para kasama na po yung ating on yes, pwede na po. Ito po na yung pwede. Also, masyado na tayo. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Ascenta International. You will all have a basic table. And again, maraming salamat for being here with us and your host. Thank you very much, Ascenters. Bye everyone. Maraming salamat. You can inform. You can maximize our office. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you po. Alright, music, pwede na. You can play the music na po. Thank you.
Pagpasok ng elevator, high-tech. Diba?